Okay. Next is range and domain, basically. Now, here, can we use that formula root of a square plus b square? No. Why? Because the angles are different. Okay. For a cos theta plus b sin theta, yesterday I told the range is from root of a square plus b square and root of a square plus b square. Correct? So find the range for this question. So what will you do in this situation then? You cannot apply this. This is not valid. This is only valid if the angle is same. No, this is not valid. Then what will you do? Open up.
Oh.
Sin a plus b cos a minus b. So open up and see what you get. Okay, so this will be sin x into cos pi by 3 plus cos x into sin pi by 3 plus, there's only sin. Okay, 3 times cos x cos pi by 3 plus sin x sin pi by 3. Now try to see what will you do. Values you know, sin x cos pi by 3 is half. So half plus sin pi by 3 is root 3 by
2.
Cos x plus, I'll multiply 3 also inside, and cos pi by 3 is 1 by 2. So 3 by 2 cos x plus 3 root 3 by 2 sin x. Now what will you do? Now you got everything in terms of one angle.
X.
Yeah, take sin separate and cos separate.
Okay.
Okay. So sin x के साथ कौन आएगा? Half. You're taking sin x common basically. ऐसे आएगा. And cos x, if you take common, 3 by 2 plus, so 3 by 2. Did you get this?
Yeah.
Now it says, now you tell me, now is this in this form? Yes.
Yeah.
So इसका range पूछेंगे तो range belongs to minus 1 by 2 का square plus नहीं पूरा इसका. This whole thing is A. Okay. This whole thing is B. So half plus का square plus 3 by 2 root 3 by 2 का square, comma, and obviously the minus value to the positive value. Leave what is the value, that's not more important. The method is important now. This question you leave that range. Okay. And both will be closed because it is equal to. That's it. So when you get something like this, a known angle addition or subtraction, both, let's open it up. Maybe you will get it in this format, obviously.
Equal to where?
Huh?
Equal to where?
Equal to is there, no?
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yesterday I did that whole proof, no?
Yeah.
Yesterday it was equal to. Okay. Okay, next question. So these things will come in maths also later on. What I'm going to do now, especially what I taught you now, that A sin x, A sin theta plus B cos theta. And it will come in physics also. Same. Okay. First you think, try. did you observe that if you take negative common here,
Yeah, it's same only.
yeah.
So
So
that 5 sin x plus 12 cos x, I'll consider it as z, and then
very good.
z
Okay.
is between minus 13 and plus 13, and then
Yeah.
I'll add 17 for both. Huh.
So z is equal to 5 sin x plus 12 cos x. And you can do the root of a square. So z is between
Minus 13
minus
and plus
13
13.
and 13.
Huh.
Okay. If you're wondering, it is root of 5 square plus 12 square, right?
Yeah.
Now, here you tell me, listen, this is the minimum value, this is the maximum value. Now,
Hmm.
suppose if I put, so I got y is equal to 17 plus x, 17 minus x. I'll just write 2 times because there's a reason for that. For my explanation. Now, if I put a maximum value in the numerator, if numerator is maximum, y is also maximum.
Hmm.
Correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Now I have to maximize what? Now here, if I put here, I have to put the maximum value of z
Yeah.
because it's getting subtracted.
Yeah.
If z is maximum, then this whole thing is minimum.
Yeah.
And if this is minimum, y is also still maximum.
Huh.
To maximize y, I have to put both the places z
Max.
max. So you'll get y max and z max. And I think minimum will be easy
Huh.
for. That's it. So y maximum will be 17 plus 13 by 17 minus 30. 30 by 4, which is 15 by 2.
Huh.
Here y minimum will be 17 minus 13 by 17 plus 13. 4 by 30 आएगा, 2 by 15 आएगा. Okay, so it is in between. Y ka range is between 2 by 15 and 15 by 2. Both included. Both included. Huh?
Hmm.
So when you're putting this value, you're getting that value. You're getting it. It's not undefined.
Hmm.
Got it?
Yeah.
Now, if I ask domain of this, if I ask domain of this,
Real.
see, before saying real, don't simply say real. Its answer is correct, but listen first. ये जो denominator zero नहीं हो सकता.
Oh.
First of all, that means ये जो term 17 हुआ तो problem है. 17 minus 17 0 गया undefined. But see, this का range is what? Minus 13 to 13. वो 17 हो ही नहीं सकता.
Hmm.
You'll have to think this aspect also always. तो ये 7 डिनोमिनेटर नहीं, ये z वाला 17 नहीं हो सकता, डिनोमिनेटर कभी 0 ही नहीं हो सकता. Then I am safe. Then x is correct. What you said is correct. Okay. So this is the range and domain is real.
Real.
So you have to do this check.
Hmm.
Okay. Suppose if I kept like this, the question was this.
Then real
So
minus
you find it
real.
out easily. I know.
Oh, um,
है ना 12 plus 13 by 12 minus 13 ये सब करोगे. Then if I ask you domain, फंस गया. Why? Because this value can take 12.
12.
So you will have to equate this to 12.
Hmm.
So when you equate it to 12, you have to solve it like this. The way I told you, 5 by 13 multiply karke sign. That you will see more in trigonometrical equation chapter. And ये 12 by 13 आएगा. And this is cos of x minus tan inverse 5 by 12 आएगा जो भी है. That we'll see in trigonometrical equation. How to remove that value, how to find that value.
Why 13 though?
Hmm?
Why 13?
13, I didn't understand.
You took 13, right? You multiplied and divided
Achha,
by
achha.
it.
13 because that's how we proved this, no? Because
Oh, okay, that. Okay, yeah.
yeah, that to make it a entire cost term or a sine term like that. Okay. Okay. Anyways, that we'll see slowly as you mature. I'll give you that level of questions also. It's the beginning only, anyways. Okay. That's why I didn't ask domains, and here the domain is easy also. Say this is the same type as one we did now, so try it fast. Expand it. It will be 3 by 2 cos x minus 3 root 3 by 2 sin x plus 5 cos x. So cos x I can combine together. So 3 by 2 plus 5. I think it will be 13 by 2, na? Okay. So 13 by 2 cos x minus 3 root 3 by 2 sin x plus 3. Let's see if it is correct. I'm also prone to make mistakes.
Yeah. So between plus and minus 14 by 4.
Yeah, you got like this? Just check.
Like what? Yeah, that I got.
Okay. So iska range it is 13 by 2 whole square plus 3 root 3 by 2 whole square. Okay. Square root minus 2 plus. Correct?
Mm.
Yeah. But there is an additional 3.
Yeah. So plus.
Yeah. So you'll have to add plus 3 and plus 3. That's it. This is the range.
Okay.
Sorry, it's closed. And what is the domain? Domain is easy.
Domain is real.
Domain is real.
हाँ.
Any value you can put, na?
Mm-hmm.
कोई zero नहीं हो रहा है, कोई कुछ लफड़ा नहीं है. Okay. Next. Done. I'll do
Yeah.
the next. Okay. Find the minimum. So this you listen only first. Find the minimum vertical distance of between two functions. Cos x function, What is the meaning of 2 plus sin x? I'll show you that. I'll just paste it up. I've already drawn it. So sin x is like this. This is 1. I say. Plus 2. This is y. Understand that. Y is equal to 2 plus sin x. Correct?
It will move up.
Yeah, correct. It is move up. Good. Now I'll just show you the graph which I have drawn. So sometimes graphical method will not give you the answer. Not always. Sometimes it will give you perfect. Better than theoretical. Okay. Like when we go to graphical solutions of many questions, graphical method is very easy. But in this place, I would suggest you to go for theoretical. Okay, now see. So you know sine ka range is what? Between
Minus
sine
1
ka
to
range
1.
is between -1 to 1.
1.
If you add 2, it will become, if you add in 2 to both sides, so
1 to
iska
3.
range will be
1
1
to
to
3.
3. वही चल रहा है इधर देख.
हाँ.
As the cos x ऊपर जहां पे है ना देख, जहां पे cos x end हो रहा है वहां पे 2 plus sin x is starting. ये clear है?
Yeah.
Okay. Now they're asking which is the minimum vertical distance, maximum vertical distance, anything they can ask. Now see in your graph how you're understanding. In your graph, you feel कि this is the minimum distance और कुछ distance ही नहीं है. You feel यहाँ पे it is going down, यहाँ पे it's going down. हाँ, यहाँ पे see it's going down, it's going up.
But
यहाँ पे तो बढ़ रहा है ना?
हाँ, but like behind
But
it's
there is a place,
less.
yes.
Yeah.
There is a place here where it can be less than 1.
And even before that.
Yeah. Before?
There.
Yeah. Here, no? Somewhere
No,
here you are
no,
seeing. Then
no, in that negative side.
here,
In even before.
here.
No, left side. Left.
This is again 1, no? Somewhere in
No,
between, you can say. There is a
completely over
place.
there.
Huh?
Completely over there, like fully left end. There.
Here.
No, a little bit over here. Huh.
Same thing only. Array, I have mine is not symmetrical.
Oh, okay.
Sin x is not symmetrical.
Okay.
So whatever is happening here will happen here also, na?
Okay.
Okay. So I'm telling, did you understand that it can happen less than 1?
Yeah.
And maximum distance you see, array 3 hai. 3 nahi hai. It can be more than 3 also. Okay. So this you understood that graphically you are not able to get. ये समझ में आ रहा है? Graphically you are not able to get. So now you have to think theoretically. So theoretically how do you do is, second. So theoretically, what is the minimum vertical distance? It's the difference of two graphs, ना? ये sin x और इसका difference चल रहा है basically. Difference of two function. So I can say the minimum vertical distance, between will be fx minus gx. I've taken like that. Fx minus gx. Whatever you can take. Now, don't you think I need the magnitude of this? Because I'm not interested in the sign. समझ रहे हो? अभी यहाँ पे देख, ये पे negative है, ये positive है. I'm not interested in the sign itself. I'm interested in the magnitude of the difference. Okay? So what I do? Correct? Okay. Now sin x ka fx is 2 plus sin x minus cos x. Now, iska you will tell me just now. What is the range? It is in a sin theta plus b cos theta.
Root 2.
Huh.
Plus or minus root.
Correct. Even if it is minus, don't worry. You will get root 2 only. It is between
minus root 2 plus root 2.
Plus. And you are adding a 2. So this whole thing will be between 2 plus root 2
and 2 minus root 2.
2 minus root 2. Okay. Now 2 minus
so
root
both are positive only.
Yeah, it's positive only. So uski zarurat nahi actually. So 2 minus 1, root 2 is 1.414. See, it's coming a value less than 1. As we predicted. And yahan pe it's coming greater than 3 actually. We predicted.
When?
So, So the minimum distance will be 2 minus root 2 and the maximum distance between the two, vertical distance between the graph will be 2 plus root 2. But they're asked minimum. So minimum is this 2 minus root. Clear?
That's it?
That's it.
Okay.
There are certain questions you cannot draw it by graphs. Like, you cannot understand by graphs like that. And certain questions it's easy. Like you'll do it more in functions also. Wait 1 second. Like, for example, Okay. You have little bit idea about, okay, this is better. You have little bit idea of y is equal to x square parabola curve, no? You have idea, no? Okay. So I'll just show you two examples just to show you how graphical analysis is very easy. Okay. To solve. More we will do after quadratic. Okay. After quadratic, we'll do more. Then slowly, then next year also 12th standard में भी functions में आएगा बहुत सारे. But mostly quadratic में I'll tell you most of it. Because quadratic में you will understand how the graph looks actually.
Do I need to write it now or later?
This you write. This theory part you write, no?
Okay. Okay, done.
Okay, done. Okay. So I'll give you one question. वो quadratic में समझ में आएगा. But at least this you can understand. Y is equal to x square is a curve which will look like this. ऐसे. Because if I take 2 ka value, it will give me 4. If I take x is equal to minus 2, it also will give me 4. And then it is going on increasing. So this is y is equal to x square. Now they are asking a question. Okay. Number of solutions for x square e raised to mod x is equal to 5. This is the, how many number of solutions are there? Real solutions are there. Okay. So this thoda 12th level pe ja raha hu, but this is just to show you that graphical can make work very easy. That you'll understand when I take quadratic. Okay. So यहाँ पे अभी देख, what I'll do is smartly I'll keep x square is equal to 5 e raised to minus mod x. Okay. Now you know one thing. You know e raised to x graph. E raised to minus x graph. पता है तुम्हें. It is like this. This I have taught you in logarithm. It comes little bit down ऐसे थोड़ा. Okay. It will go on, but it will never reach 0. ऐसे. Okay. This you know, and this point is 0, 1. Correct? Now, what is the meaning of mod x? Understand this very carefully. Yeah? This will help you later also. So if you are changing x to mod x, what happens is it becomes a function where it is symmetrical about y-axis. Like for example, to make you understand, I'll put x is equal to 1. So what answer you will get? E raised to minus 1. That is this value. This is e raised to minus 1. Simply putting x is equal to minus 1. X is equal to 1. What I get? 1 by e, na? Okay. Now, what will happen if I put x is equal to minus 1 in this equation?
Plus 1.
Again, you should get e raised to. Because if minus 1 inside mod becomes 1 only.
Yeah.
So again, you have to get the same value. You understanding?
Yeah.
So jahan pe maine 1, this value I'm getting, same value I should get when I'm putting minus 1 also. So here. So this iska image aise aayega, dekh, aise. So whatever is this, that will be mirror image through y-axis. Okay. So if I want to draw e raised to, you understood this? One more time I should explain.
Yeah.
See, this you leave it. This you leave. I am trying to plot e raised to minus mod x. Okay, that is my intention. You getting? E raised to minus mod x nikalna hai. Now, do you agree this is e raised to minus x? Okay. So when you put 1, what do you get value? Tell me. When you put 1, what are you getting? मैं x is equal to 1 डाल रहा हूँ. I am getting 1 comma 1 by e मिल रहा है. You put 1. X is equal to 1. E raised to minus 1, that is 1 by e. Clear? Okay.
Yeah.
Now in this curve, if I am putting x is equal to minus 1, what you're going to get? In the same curve, e raised to minus of minus 1, e आएगा. थोड़ा बड़ा value आएगा, देख. Correct? ऐसे आएगा. But I want mod. Feel करना है ये, yeah? When I'm putting mod, that means all those negative values, but I'm putting here, it will take only e raised to x direct. The positive, ये अभी -1 का value, ये it will take this same value that is happening in positive. जो भी negative value डाल रहे हो, e raised to minus mod x will think, अरे you are giving me positive value. It will say take this value. It will take this. So like this. So you're getting a mirror image of this curve. The positive direction ka jo bhi image hai, you're getting the mirror image about which axis? Y axis. That is always anything I'm telling you. Any f of x, if you're turning x to mod x, it means that the positive value ka, which is in the positive x direction, leave what is in the negative, cut it out. Put a mirror image in the about y axis. That is what's going to happen if you're changing x to mod x. You got this?
Yeah.
So I'll remove, sorry, standard eraser. So it will come. So how it will the curve look?
Like
so
this.
This is 0, 1. Okay. And this is 0, 1. This I simply wrote 1 and 1. This much clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Now what is so this is when I'm writing, this is two equations, left hand side, right hand side. Two equation, left hand side and right hand side. Can I say this is one function, y is equal to x square is equal to 5 raised to e raised to minus mod x is also another function?
Yeah.
When I'm telling two functions are equal, its y value is equal. Okay. Okay. Now I'm plotting the y is equal to x square as a green graph. A green nahi, purple lete hain. Same graph I have drawn. Okay. Now you tell me, they're telling ki if they are equal, that means when I'm equating two functions, it means its y value kahan pe same hai? Yahan pe same hai. Where it intersects.
Oh.
Where it intersects, both will have the same y coordinate, na?
Okay.
Correct? Yeah. So they are saying this is the region. Okay, this is the region. So how many solutions? Two solutions.
But what about that 5?
What will happen?
That 5. 5.
5. 5 is just a, so if I take 1 here, you will get 5 by e. That's all. 5 will just make it a little bit smoother. It will make a little bit upper the graph.
So like it doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter.
Okay.
So yeah. So here it will not be 0, 5. It will be 0, 5 aayega. Because x is equal to 0 डालेंगे तो e raised to 0, 1. So this becomes 5. Yeah.
Okay.
But how many solutions you are getting?
2.
Two solutions, direct.
Okay.
You cannot solve it theoretically. Theoretically, how will you solve it? Log लेके क्या करोगे? So sometimes graphical will help you. This usually we take in functions or little bit in quadratic, little bit in 12th standard functions we explain. बहुत सारे questions you can do it like this.
How will I know which one to do?
क्या हुआ?
How will I know which one to do?
That you will understand. वो practice से आ जाएगा. You know, when you see, you will understand. The first option should be you try graphical method only. Because it's way easier.
Okay.
Like, abhi, for example, I'll give you another one. Huh? Like, this is related to trigonometry only, so I can take it now. 4 sin x is equal to 3x. Okay, this is a question and they're asking number of solution. And they can give inequality also. But here we'll have to solve for it. That's the only thing. Since solution is hard here, like they'll ask you like this. Instead of equal to, they'll put like this, greater than equal to sign. So that means
The upper wala part.
yeah, this region.
Huh.
So if you know the intersection point after solving this equation, you know the intersection point, then minus infinity to this and that point to infinity is when the parabola region is more than this function. And in this region, this function is becoming more than the parabola. Like that. You're getting the logic how they do?
Yeah.
That's one. Now, यहाँ पे 4x is equal to this. So always it's better. See here, यहाँ पे the actual function was this. But I took this to the other side because I know खेलना ये आसान होगा, ऐसे आसान होगा. Okay, so यहाँ पे instead of doing 4 sin x is equal to 3x, what I'll do? I'll keep this. Now there are two functions. One is y is equal to sin x and y is equal to 3 by 4x. And you know that this I think I told you in basic maths also. Y is equal to mx is a line passing through origin. Iska slope is 3 by 4. Okay. Now, this is sine. Okay. Now, यहाँ पे y and this. Now you have to know one thing. Y is equal to 3 by 4. कहाँ आएगा we don't know. It can come like this. See, there are possibilities. It can come like this. It can go exactly like this, or it can go like this. Can you see there are three possibilities for that line to come? If it is going like this, it will have only one solution.
Yeah.
Okay. If it is going like this, only one solution, 0 wala. If it is going like this, also it will only have one solution. Like exactly as it touch ho jata hai. So that will be exactly this region. This region it will touch exactly. Okay. Then if it is more than that, then you will get three solutions. Now, how will you know what? So you should know if I'm drawing like this a line here. This is called a tangent to the sine curve. Okay. Now, since you know a little bit of differentiation, what does differentiation say? What is dy by dx? It's the slope of the tangent at that point. Correct? This you know. So, if I want to find the slope of the tangent at where? At x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0, I'm drawing the tangent. So, first you do dy by dx at 0. What is dy by, what is the differential of sine? Cos. Now, what is cos of 0? 1. So, what is the slope of this line? 1. Ye clear hai?
Yeah. But why?
Differential you know, na? What is the meaning of differential?
Yeah, but why?
That you'll see now. So, if it is exactly 1, it will cut like this, essay. Okay?
But it's not 1.
It's not 1, it is less than 1. So if it is less than 1, see, it will go like this. Because it's becoming less steep. It's exactly 1, na? Less steep means niche aana hai, na? The curve should come down. So this line should come down. So can I say that iska slope 1 hai? So can I say this line ka slope, can I confidently say it is 3 by 4x? Okay, so how many solutions? 1,
3.
2, 3. So 3 solutions are there.
Okay. And that x doesn't matter?
Doesn't matter, na?
Okay.
How it will matter? Because we are drawing both in the same axis, x. Y and x, same. I hope this is clear.
Yeah.
Okay, if instead of sin x is equal to 4/3 hota, 4/3x hota. 4/3
That would
means,
have been
yeah,
steeper.
it would have gone like this.
Um,
That means only one solution. In this case, only one solution is there. And in this case, there are three solutions.
okay.
Because it's passing through origin, na, तो एक solution तो वहां पे होगा.
Okay.
Clear?
Yeah.
So like that, many things you can solve like that. So now I'm not going into detail. That little bit we'll do in quadratic, little bit we'll do in functions. Okay. So idea मिल गया ना ऐसे कैसे करना है graphically.
Okay. Done.
Done? Okay. This we did, no, this we didn't. Okay. I taught you completing the square method.
What?
Okay, wait. I think I've taught you, but I'm just giving a revision again. Like sabhi x square minus 4x plus 13. It's a quadratic. Okay. So I have to complete the square. So what I'll do is I'll take the middle term ka half. Middle term ka half. Kitna hai? 2. And I will add that square and subtract that square. So x square minus, so 2 ka square 4 plus 13 and minus 4. I've added and subtracted. Now this becomes a perfect square. X minus 2 whole square plus 9. So this function is always greater than equal to, because see, minimum value kahan hai iska? This is anyway greater than equal to 0. The square is always greater than equal to 0. So iska minimum value 0 hai. Okay. Then after you increase the value from 0, what will happen to this? It will start increasing from 9. So basically the entire function is, and if you check the discriminant of this function, definitely you will get negative. Because it's greater than equal to positive value, na? So graph ka upar se aise. Okay. So if you see the discriminant also, you can identify. Discriminant kitna? 16 minus 4 into 13. Dekh. Iska negative hai. And iska leading coefficient is positive. So this function is always positive. Correct? Hai? It's always greater than 9. And when it is equal to 9, when this candidate becomes 0, that is when x is equal to 2, you can say y is equal to 9.
Okay.
All the other places, it's greater than. For any other real number, it is always greater than equal to greater than 9. Clear? Okay. Then if I have a coefficient for this, okay, ye try karna. Sorry. Ye try karna, completing the square. Here you will have to take 2 common, zabardasti. Because you will have to make, see, I told you halving the term. Halving the term will only work when this is coefficient is 1. Okay. So you will have to take 2 first common. So x square plus 7x by 2 plus 9 by 2. Now you think x ka term ka half kya hai? 7 by 4. Add it square. So now slowly you will get the hang of it. Okay. So x plus 7 by 2 ka whole square plus 9 by 2 minus 49 by 4. If you have understood this, how to do it directly, then very good. इसका square I added. अच्छा 16 आएगा ना? Okay, correct.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
This is 7 by 4 only. Sorry, I forgot that. इसका half आएगा अंदर.
7 by 4. Okay.
So 2 into x plus 7 by 4 whole square plus, then I'll multiply 2 with this also. So what do you get? 9 minus 49 by 8. Okay. Now what is this value? 72 minus 48 by 8.
49.
Acha, 49. Thank you. तो 72 minus 49 कितना आएगा? 23. 23 by 8. So this whole function is, you can reduce it like this.
Okay.
So can I say it's definitely greater than 23 by 8? And when will it be 23 by 8? When x is equal to minus 7 by 4. Whatever is inside, you equate it to 0.
Yeah.
So with coefficient of x square and without, you understood how to square, completing the square method. बहुत important है ये. Okay, clear? Okay, then I'll go to that question. Y is equal to cos 2x plus 3 sin x. Okay, I want to find the range and domain. The range is easy. Or sorry, domain is easy. Domain is real. Okay, range निकालना है. How will you start?
Cos 2x.
Cos 2x, you will write it as?
Cos square x minus sin square x.
No. Then there will be a cos square, there will be a sin square, there will be a sin x. If I get it in the quadratic of sine, then I can do this completing the square method.
Okay.
If I get it as a quadratic of sine,
square.
So I'll write it as 1 minus 2 sin square x plus 3 sin x.
But then cos is not okay. Like cos will not be there. It's fine.
That's fine. I'm trying to make it in this form.
Okay.
If it's in a quadratic form, I can try completing the square. Okay, and they'll give you questions about where the discriminant is 0 only. Abhi. Don't worry. I say questions ka minimum value you can find. Okay. Anyways, so y is equal to minus 2 sin square x plus 3 sin x plus 1. Now, what you will take common? Minus 2. Sin square, I'm just writing like this now. Minus 3 by 2 sin and minus 2. Minus half. ऐसे आएगा क्या?
Yeah.
Now, what is the half of this? 3 by 4 hai.
3 by 4.
Yeah. So
sin
minus
x
2.
3 by 4.
Yeah, s minus 3 by 4 whole square.
Minus 2 plus 9 by 16.
Minus half minus.
Minus half.
9 by 16. Correct?
Minus 9 by 16.
माइनस ना यहाँ पे मैंने कुछ किया क्या माइनस. ये माइनस पार्ट आएगा ना, बस स्क्वायर के अंदर वो पॉजिटिव है ना.
49 by 16. Negative.
तो यहाँ पे नेगेटिव, बाहर नेगेटिव है.
No, not that one. This one.
This is negative. Correct.
So this will be positive.
अरे square is always positive ना. Imagine.
Oh. Okay.
यहाँ पे only this will decide this. That's it. This is always minus. वो हाफ जो भी हाफ मिल रहा है ना x का कोएफिशिएंट उसका नेगेटिव ही आएगा बाहर. Okay. So minus 2 into s minus 3 by 4 square, and minus 2 will become plus 1 and plus 9 by 8 आएगा. Correct? Just check if the calculation part is correct.
Yeah.
This is the function. Now you tell me this function. What is happening to this function? First time.
It will always be greater than minus 17 by 8. No.
Okay. This is always greater than equal to 0. So if this is 0, this is 17 by 8. Then as it increases the value, 17 by 8 से कम होते जा रहा है.
17 by 8?
Can
you repeat?
I'm saying once you start increasing this value from here, what is happening to that value 17 by 8? क्या हो रहा है?
It's decreasing.
Yeah. So you can think like this. ये sign है ना? Oh, sign कहाँ? ये sign भी है. Okay. हाँ, okay. So listen. ये sign भी है. So you cannot simply say like that. Wait 1 second. Okay. First you tell me sin x का range. I'll try to bring the entire thing like this. Huh? Wait, I'll take it to the next page. Yeah, sin है तो एक problem है. Till now we were having x where x was real, so no problem. Okay. Now you will understand. Sin x, I'll make you understand. Sin x is between 1 and 1. Okay.
Minus 3 by 4.
Now, yeah, very good. You'll subtract minus 3 by 4. So minus 3 by 4. So you'll be minus 1 minus 3 by 4 and 1 minus 3 by 4. So you will get how much? Minus 7 by 4 s minus 3 by 4. Now I am replacing sin x as s. Okay. ये मिल गया? Okay. Now I am squaring it. Key, I need a square. So I'm squaring. And yesterday also I told you, ये negative to positive है. So if I square, the minimum will be always 0. Okay. And the maximum will be the square of anyone. Which is the maximum? किसका square maximum आएगा? 14 and 1 by 4 नहीं. 49 by 16 ना?
Oh.
Okay. So s minus 3 by 4 का square if I take, it will come between 0 and 49 by 6. Till here clear? Okay. Now I have to multiply 2. So I'll multiply 2. I'm multiplying minus 2. Wait, I'm multiplying 2. First I'll multiply 2. So कितना आएगा ये? Till here correct? Now when I'm multiplying, yeah. When I'm multiplying this, scene ऐसे आएगा. How I showed you like that only you have to think. Okay? Okay. Now I have to add what? 17 by 8 to it. So I'll add 17 by 8 minus 2 s minus 3 by 4 whole square. So ये 17 by 8 हो गया. ये 49 by 8 minus plus 17 by 8 कितना आ रहा है?
Minus 32 by 8 minus 4.
36.
49.
हाँ. पता नहीं आज क्या हो रहा है मुझे. हाँ, okay. So minus 32 by 8 तो minus 4 आएगा ना?
हाँ.
This is the answer. The range is between minus 4 included to 17 by 8. Sign के लिए ऐसे खेलना पड़ेगा.
Okay.
Clear?
Yeah.
You have to think reverse and try it and do it also. Wait, slowly and slowly you will very easily you can do this. एकदम 2 step में ये करना पड़ेगा. If it was a normal x, then it was easy because x is anyway real. So you can directly say it is this. But sin के लिए ऐसा नहीं है because sin के लिए एक range भी होता है.
Okay, done.
Now try this अपने आप. Okay, domain I'm not going to ask again and again. हाँ, range निकाल. ये direct है. I've given you the completed square version.
Okay.
Getting?
Okay.
Tell me the answer.
Between 3 and 12?
4 and 12, I got. Okay, let's see. So cos x is between minus
4
1.
and 12. Yeah.
Okay. Cos x is between this. Then I add 2. I subtract 2. So
Okay.
minus 3 cos x minus 2 and minus 1. Correct? Now I take the square. So both are negative. कोई problem नहीं है. 1 and 9 तक आएगा. Then I add 3. So 4
and 12.
plus 3. So range is between 4 and 12. Very easy method. In the notes I have done by, I've taken the minimum value for cos. I've substituted 3 values, minus 1, 0 or 1. But this method you follow always. This is easier.
Okay.
Usually what the cos can have 0, minus 1, 1. So they put always minus 1, 0 and 1 and see which one is maximum, which is minimum. Like that also you can try. But I feel this is ekdam foolproof method. Always correct. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, next one. This will have to complete the square also. Y is equal to cos square x minus 4 cos x plus 13. Okay, so can I write it as cos x?
So once again,
Okay.
9 to 25.
Wait 1 second. Cos x minus 2 whole square plus 9. The same question I get. Okay. Plus 9 आया ना?
Minus 2. Oh. Okay. Okay.
Cos x minus 2 whole square plus 9. So till here it is correct, na?
Yeah.
Till here you can write. Then you have to add what? 9. So 10 आएगा, 18 आएगा. That's it. Very similar to the next one, but previous question. What mistake you did?
I took it as. Oh.
इसका half हमेशा लेना इधर.
Yeah, I did that. I took it as cos square minus 4 whole square.
Oh. Okay.
And then I started off. Okay.
Okay, इसका half हमेशा. Okay. Okay. Listen very carefully and then only start writing. Next one is very, very important. Okay. It will come in many chapters. Okay, so you can do it by AM and GM also, but I prefer this method more than AM and GM, but still you can do that. But now we don't know AM and GM, so follow this method. X plus 1 by x. उसका ग्राफ भी सीखेंगे जब फंक्शंस आएंगे तो. Okay, अभी that's not important. Now, for x is equal to greater than 0. So this function x plus something, meaning something plus its reciprocal. Now, if I take x as positive, can you understand both are positive? Yeah. Okay. Now what I will do is, how I'm manipulating check. Understand? Can I write this as? Okay. Before going into that, root x minus 1 by root x का whole square क्या है? x plus
1 by
1 by x minus 2 आएगा.
हाँ.
Because root x and root x will cancel. A, B term. Okay. So from here, can I write x plus 1 by x? I can bring this minus to this side.
Yeah.
So I can bring root x minus 1 by root x. This I just mentioned somewhere, I think in one question log mein aaya tha. But now I'm taking it very seriously. Okay. Now ये जो square term है, ये हमेशा greater than equal to 0 है. Correct? And there's no sign and sign or something like that. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है इसमें. It's real value. So always it will be greater than 0. So कोई restriction नहीं है अंदर. So this value will be 2 or greater than 2. Can I say this will always be greater than 2?
Yeah.
When? For all x greater than 0. Till there only, when I have taken x greater than 0. Okay? Otherwise, you will not have, you cannot do it because then this root x cannot be defined. X cannot go under inside the square root. So x should be positive for that. Ye clear hai?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, when will it be 2? Next question. Always. When will this y be 2? You have to check.
When x is 1.
Yeah, when this is correct. When you equate these two, hai na? When you equate this to 0. So basically equate that 2. So x is equal to 1. Okay. And x is equal to 1 is a valid, na? Is it defined or is it valid? Valid. So always check this. Always. It's like a habit. Andar se aana chahiye. Ki when you do this, you always check when will it become. Kabhi kabhi hota hi nahi hai. Undefined aa jata hai. Then you will have to go and do another method. We'll do that today. Okay. Okay. Now, for x is less than 0. Now, if x is negative, can you do this root and all? No. Root of x is undefined.
Yeah. So.
Okay. So what I do is I'll write x is equal to minus t. So if x is negative, t is
positive.
Now what I do is x plus 1 by x, I can write it as minus t plus 1 by t. I've taken minus common. Understood or should I? Minus t plus 1 by minus t. That will minus common karo, yes, yeah. Now you tell me when a t is positive and x plus 1 by x, we just proved above when t is any in this format, इसका minimum maximum value क्या है? Correct? So, but I don't want that. I want minus. So I know t plus 1 by t is greater than 2. Now I'm multiplying negative on both sides. So t plus 1 by t, sign of the equality remains. Now what is this? This is your x plus 1 by x. For all x less than 0. So if x is negative, then x plus 1 by x will be less than minus 2. If x is positive, then x plus 1 by x will be greater than 2. So what is the range of that function? Because बहुत खेलेंगे quadratic में. When you see something x plus 1 by x, अरे मन में लड्डू फूटना चाहिए. It is ranges like this. Minus infinity to minus 2, minus 2 to infinity. So complete range क्या है? Complete range will be minus infinity to minus 2 union to infinity. And we know in detail this range happens when x is positive and this range happens when x is
negative.
X cannot be 0 because 1 by x will be undefined. So x is equal to 0 में define ही नहीं है. You'll see the graph will be like this actually. You will see in 12th. ऐसे आएगा ये. तो ऐसे y is equal to x line में ऐसे आएगा. So it is this x is equal to 0 line will behave like asymptote. It will not reach. It will never reach this. It will go like this as a curve will go like this.
It will never. Okay.
You'll see that. Thanks. So यहाँ पे भी when it will be equal to minus 2, same case when x is equal to minus 1 or 1. Minus 1, sorry. Okay, because t will be equal to 1, na? When will this happen? When t is equal to 1. Like this we did when x is equal to 1.
Yeah.
When will this happen? When t is equal to 1. But what is x? Minus t. So x is equal to at x is equal to minus 2, you can say function is minus 2. At x is equal to minus 1, function is minus 2. And at x is equal to 1, function is 2. Is this whole thing clear properly?
Yeah.
Okay, write it down and then we'll do 2-3 questions. Then we'll go to trigonometry of this level.
Okay.
This will come in every chapter. Here, quadratic sequence in series we'll study as AM greater than GM also. Then everywhere, this is there. This is there. So understand it. I'll show you the next question. वो technique याद रखना है बस उतना ही. And always check the condition. Always check the condition. कि ये जो inequality जब equal होता है वो condition हमेशा check करना. वो valid नहीं है तो problem है.
Yes, sir, done. Sir, done.
Okay. One question I'll show you and the next question you try. Okay. Now, listen. X plus, listen, I'm just telling you one more time. X plus 1 by x. If x is positive, okay, you can only find the minimum value because it will be greater than equal to 2 or whatever it is, in what format it comes. Now, x plus 1 by x, if x is negative, we can only find the maximum value because it will be less than equal to, it will be less than equal to less than minus 2. So we can only find the maximum value if x is negative and minimum value when x is positive. ये clear है?
हाँ. Sir, doubt.
क्या हुआ?
Sir, doubt.
Yeah, ask.
So, it's t plus 1 by t. So
हाँ.
shouldn't it be like minus 2?
Where?
Over there, like that. Yeah.
Here. Nee, here see, t is positive, na? So since from this funda I told, as x is greater than 0, x plus 1 by x will always be greater than equal to 2. From that funda I told, t plus 1 by x is also greater than 2.
You're taking the square, right?
Where I have not taken the, here I have not taken, here I have taken the square, here I have not taken.
Oh.
But yeah, similarly you can take it. It's understood. From here x plus 1 by x when x is positive, इसका minimum value क्या है? 2 है, greater than 2. So here I have taken, since I've removed the negative sign, that's what I'm just doing. When x is negative, I've removed that negative sign. So now t is positive, na?
Okay.
So t plus 1 by t is like positive. So it behaves like this only. So t
Uh-huh.
plus 1 by t is greater than equal to 2.
Okay.
Then I multiplied minus 1. And this, now this whole thing is like your x plus 1 by x. And that will be less than equal to minus 2 if x is negative, correct?
Okay.
Clear?
Yeah.
One question I'll show you, then one similar one you'll do, and then we'll go into trigonometry of the same fashion. 4x plus 9 by x if x is greater than 0. Now you see, x is greater than 0, the minimum value. They're asking the minimum value of this function. Okay? So you have to always think, iska square root ढूंढना है. So easy. 2 root x minus, always put minus. I've told you the reason also in, I think, when I during one discussion. ये minus क्यों लगाया है? Plus क्यों ले? Plus होता तो ये minus होता.
हाँ.
And you are saying that that because see here you put plus, so here it will be minus 2. Okay, so this whole thing is greater than equal to minus 2. So you just tell me क्या हुआ? हाँ, greater than equal to greater than equal to minus 2. Now you tell me this value, I know it is definitely greater than equal to minus 2. क्यों? क्योंकि दोनों positive है.
So it won't be of any use.
So anyway it will be greater than minus 2. ये information is not enough for me. So that is why I put minus here and get plus here. Okay. It's always minus. Okay.
And why do we take t plus 1 by t and not t minus 1 by t?
नहीं, यहाँ पे तो function ऐसा है ना, x plus 1 by x is a function.
अच्छा.
Here I have not done the completing the square method. Only here I have done. And using this result I told कि see the crux of the entire thing is x plus 1 by x. This I think you'll understand from here. Listen. यहाँ पे square root 2 root x. इसका square root क्या आएगा?
3 by root x.
3 by root x. And I'll simply keep a square. So when I square, I'll get this, I'll get this. Now what is your 2ab term? Minus 6. ये तो cancel हो जाएगा. Cancel होना है. Root x and root x should cancel. I should get a number there. So it will be minus 12 आएगा. To counter that, I'll put a
plus 12.
Plus 12. So this is the function. Now you know this is always greater than equal to 0. So this whole function will be always greater than equal to 12. यही खेलना है हमेशा. Okay. Now if it is negative, then you will have to take a negative outside and do it. That next question. Okay. So this is definitely great. Now always check. Okay. When will y be? When will y be 12? When this is equal. That is 2 root x is equal to 3 by root x. So x is equal to 3 by 2. हो सकता है, it's defined. X is equal to 3 by 2 हो सकता है, definitely. So that is what is the range of this function? Of minimum value is 12. Finished.
Oh, that's it. Okay.
And that one I told you was ki if there is no numbers here, if it is simply x plus 1 by x, then definitely it is greater than equal to 2. ये बहुत बार apply होगा. X plus 1 by x का minimum value क्या है? 2. If x is positive. And if x is negative, x plus 1 by x का maximum value is minus 2. Okay. This, yeah, when random numbers come, you'll have to solve like this and check. So I'm asking you, what is tan theta plus cot theta ka minimum value for in the first quadrant? Tan theta plus cot theta ka minimum value क्या है?
2.
Huh?
2.
Correct. What you said?
2.
Tan theta plus cot theta in the first quadrant.
2.
2. Correct. Because tan theta is, you can write it in this form. Tan theta plus 1 by tan theta. It is in x plus 1 by x format. And दोनों positive है. Why? I defined it in the first quadrant. Okay. Or first or third quadrant, whatever. So this is always greater than equal to 2.
Okay.
But tan theta and cot theta ka in second and fourth quadrant you cannot say a minimum value. You can only say a maximum value. That is minus 2 because both are negative. the beginning you will have little bit problem in this method, but once this method is very clear, you then good. My worksheet questions and all, you will really feel good, so good to do it. Okay, because you do my worksheet questions and all those exercise I'm giving you, aram se.
Done.
Okay. Okay, x plus 16 by x. X is less than 0. Less than 0. Equal to नहीं हो सकता. Negative. So they can only ask maximum value. Try it. So do one thing. If you want, you can do like this, or you can take like this also, or you can don't do the substitution as t. Take a minus common already and keep it as x plus 16 by x. ऐसे. Okay? वैसे ही कर सकते हैं.
What will I do of that 16?
Okay. Leave the minus sign for some time. Okay. So can I write as root x minus 4 by root x ka whole square?
Yeah.
Plus how much? 8 aega. This function will be like this. Can you just check if what I did is correct? Leave the minus. Leave the minus. I'm not doing with the minus. As of now, is it correct? Huh? Correct, no? Okay. Now I took a negative common here. Why I'm taking negative? Because under positive chahiye to. So negative, and this becomes minus 8. Now you tell me this value will be not. This will be less than minus 8. Because यहाँ पे 0 है ना. जब ये 0 है तो ये minus 8 है. As ये बढ़ रहा है, ये negative sign है. तो minus 8 से घट रहा है value. So this whole thing is less than equal to minus 8. So what is the maximum value? Minus 8. Now always check. Always have that habit of checking. So root x is equal to 4 by root x. X is equal to 4. ये तो defined value. क्या बात?
What if it's undefined? How will it be?
That we'll see. What if it is undefined?
What would be an undefined value?
We'll come to that. We'll come to that. We'll do that now. Today only. Okay. हाँ, but one more thing. ये 0 होना चाहिए ना. ये this value. When I took negative common, na, x was a positive value. Understand? So minus 4 is answer. Okay. Not 4, minus 4. Because I took a negative outside. I hope I'm making sense. That's why I told you, don't play with this. You do directly x is equal to minus t karke kar lo. Pehle. Then t you will get positive, so x is negative. Okay? If you're not comfortable this, in the beginning you start like that. X is equal to minus t karke kar lo. And then you do like this later. Clear? Okay. Now, this I will do it. Y is equal to 4 sine square theta plus 9. This I'll show you, and then the next one, the next 2, 3 you have to do. Okay, that case is there what you said. Okay, so now listen, don't do anything, just listen. इसका reciprocal है क्या ये? That means we are doing that method. That 4x plus 1 by 9 by x, वो method apply कर सकते हैं यहाँ पे. Okay, okay. So y is equal to, what will I write this as first? You tell me. The square root. The square root. 2 sine theta minus
3 by sine theta.
हाँ ओके 3 cosec थीटा दैट्स ओके हाँ
Oh.
प्लस क्या आएगा 2ab टर्म 2 into 2 into 3
12.
12 तो प्लस 12 आएगा ओके एंड ये स्क्वायर है टिल हियर क्लियर
Yeah.
now you listen please listen this is always greater than equal to 0 so you will be thinking this is the answer and you will be happy okay but the problem is I always tell and students forget also you
But
have
it
to
can't be 0.
huh
It can't be 0.
wait then I'll equate 2 sin theta is equal to 3 cosec theta can I write it as sin theta here I've equated it okay and checking when will because in this case y will be equal to the equality will hold when this is equal you're getting okay so sin square is equal to 3 by 2 gaya kaam se your square sine is always between less than 1 sin square theta is always between 0 and 1 ये तो greater than 1 है ये possible ही नहीं है that means ये जो equality है that is not possible that means the entire game is gone see I can tell you it is greater than 12 bindas greater than 12 but then what is the exact minimum value I cannot tell you're getting
Yeah.
okay so here we do a different game so what I do is listen you'll understand also slowly y is equal to ये जो 9 cosec square theta I write it as 4 cosec square theta plus 5 cosec square theta okay now I write it like this y is equal to 4 of okay this I'll write like this okay now I'll write y is equal to 4 of sine square theta plus 1 by sine square theta plus 5 cosec square theta till here is it clear okay
Yeah.
now is it in this form x plus 1 by x
Yeah.
and that x is positive why because both are squares itself so what is this can I say this is greater than equal to 2 the whole bracket के अंदर जो है वो greater than equal to 2 होगा कब होगा when sin theta is equal to 1 or sin square theta is equal to 1 or cosec square theta is equal to 1 correct or no either way you can think sin I think I wrote you'll get sin raised to 4 okay that's okay that doesn't matter big okay you be okay when sin raised to 4 theta is 1 or cosec raised to 4 theta is 1 if cosec raised to 4 theta is 1 can I say cosec square theta is also 1 okay that means because every angle is theta so when this is equal you get 4 into because this is anyway greater than equal to 2 and iska range if you remember cosec square theta iska range also is greater than 1 correct so when this is equal to 2 this is exactly becoming 1 देख है ना the same angle only so what is that y ka angle 4 into 2 plus 5 into 1 13 आ रहा है हाँ okay 13 and now what will happen if the value increases slowly so what will happen if other than this value what will happen this value will be greater than 2 and this value will be greater than 1 तो बढ़ेगा so now you can see here the range is 13 to infinity okay. Here we were not sure we were sure ki it is not sure we were just saying a greater than 12 ho sakta hai but what is that limit that only this method can tell got this type I'll give you same type one more try it or I'll do one thing I'll give it as a homework no better we'll do it along with that concept 1 and 2 tomorrow can I discuss one concept 1 or concept 2 anything at least both if you do good one do you started
no
okay try
I don't have to take that first part right
क्या हुआ
I don't have to write that first part
No, you have to write the first part also.
Oh.
You have to show that checking is also important.
Okay.
You can do that the similar type as a homework. So always go by this method only. यहाँ पे fault आ रहा है, then you will have to think the other alternative. Always follow. That's why I told you always check also. Keep checking also.
Okay, done.
So you just take down the homework now. Just one line only. 18 sec square x plus 8 cos square x. Okay. And the answer is, this is the range. 26 to infinity included. Okay. This is the homework. Okay. As of now, you do this. Find the range. First, tell me, is it in reciprocal format?
No.
Are they reciprocal to each other?
No.
Then can I do something that then I'll get it like that?
I can take the reciprocal and then like I can cross multiply and then I'll get 1. No.
No, something else. Cosec and sec. Square है ये. Sec square, cosec square.
1 by cos square, 1 by.
हाँ.
1 by cos square, 1 by sin square.
अरे 1 by tan square and 1 by cot square ना? Correct? Sec square is 1 plus tan square and cosec square is 1 plus.
Okay.
तो tan square and cot square हो गया. So reciprocal to each other. So 1 plus tan square x plus 18 1 plus cot square x. Okay. So y is equal to 8 plus 18 26 आएगा plus 8 tan square x plus 18 cot square x. इसका निकाल easily. So I'll write it like this only. Here only I say 26 plus 2 root 2 tan x minus 3 root 2 by tan x whole square plus क्या आएगा बताओ?
24.
हाँ 24 correct. Okay, then this 26 and 24 will add up. 50 plus 2 root 2 tan x minus 3 root 2 tan x. It looks like it is greater than or equal to 50. Check also, check. So 2 root 2 t tan x I have written as t is equal to 3 root 2 t. So t square is equal to 3 by 2. ये possible है. Because tan can take any value from minus infinity to infinity. ये possible है. So this y is between 50, comma. Tan and cot आएगा तो कोई डरने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. Tan and cot can take any value. Sin and cos आएगा तो you'll have to keep checking and do like this game what I told you.
Okay.
Clear? Okay, y is equal to 10 cos square x minus 6 sin x cos x plus 2 sin square x. Find the range. Yeah, it's the range. To bring it to a format, now it can be anything. It's not the same type I've taught you. So I've taught you many types. Think what type you can bring this one to.
It is between plus or minus 10.
Okay, what did you do?
That cos square, I took it as 2 cos square plus 8. Oh, 1 second, 1 second, 1 second, 1 second. Okay, 1 second. Yeah, between minus 9 and 11, sorry.
11 is correct. Minus 9. Okay, what did you do? Tell me.
Okay,
Somewhere.
that 10 cos square, I took it as 8 plus 2. Oh.
You wrote it as 8 cos square x plus 2 cos square x, and that will combine with 2 sin square x. Okay, that is correct. Till here it is correct. Okay. So what will be this? This will be 2. Correct. 8 cos square x plus 2 minus. What will you do to
12
this?
and 8. That one, I'll divide both by cos. I have to divide whole.
Nee, I can write it as. See, if I split this 6, I can write it as 3 into 2, right? So can I write it as 3 sin 2x?
Yeah.
Okay.
That will become cos square x plus.
So again, cos square x also I can do one thing. I can take 4 outside and I can think like this. Correct? Now what is 2 cos square x? 1 plus
minus 1 plus cos.
Yeah. Plus 2 plus 3 sin 2x. So why 4 plus 2? 6 plus 4 cos 2x minus 3 sin 2x. Now I think you might have understood what I did. See, same argument. This is between minus 5 and 5. And you will have to add 6. That's it. So range is equal
1
to
to 11.
Yeah, 1 to 11. What? I think I just want to know what wrong concept you applied. You understood why it was wrong?
Yeah.
Okay.
I tried to divide that 8 cos square x and that 6 sin x cos x with cos x, but
You
I didn't.
divided.
Yeah.
Then you'll have
I
to
forgot
multiply
about that
also.
too.
Then you'll have to multiply also, no?
Yeah.
Then uska additional tension आएगा फिर. Cos square क्या आ गया? I think this is the worksheet question, I think. So if worksheet में कुछ repeated है ना जो class में किया तो you ignore that and go. Okay?
Okay.
Don't do that. At least you remember कि हाँ ऐसा क्या करना है. At least you just remember and that also will be a good practice.
You're done.
Done? Okay. Now. इसका range निकालना. Range and domain also I can see. Domain is easy. Range. Domain where sin x is equal to 0. Where sin x is equal to 0, it's not defined. बाकी हर जगह पे it is defined. So
Hmm.
where is sin x equal to 0? I've told you n
Zero.
pi. So
हाँ.
n pi where n belongs to integer. हो गया domain. Now range निकालना है. What will you do?
Sin 3x, I'll take it as 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. So it will
Okay.
be 3 minus 4 sin square x.
Correct. So you will get 3 minus 4 sin square x. Correct. Now you know sin square का range. तो पीछे से खेलना. Sin
Okay.
square is always between.
0, 1.
But there is a problem. There is a problem. See, when you do this, then you have given a, you have told something to them that sin x cannot be equal to 0. You have divided sin x properly.
Huh.
No
So
problem.
that equal to will
Yeah.
go.
No, the actual function में sin x is not defined. Sin x is equal to 0 नहीं हो सकता. ये function में, actual function में sin x cannot be 0.
Huh.
Okay. So sin square also cannot be 0. So,
Huh.
okay, good. So you have to know this when you're doing such questions. Okay. Now what should I multiply? Minus 4
4.
both sides. So minus 4, what will happen? Minus 4 will come this side and 0 will come this side. Ulta hai. So then I have to add 3. So minus 1 aega na? No. So range will be minus 1 is included, but 3 is not included.
Okay.
Clear? Easy. Okay. This I'll have to copy the first. Try this. Second. Try.
Only range?
हाँ अभी तक तो range ही है.
Okay, okay.
Domain now is very easy. But we'll do that also, no problem. So 1 plus cos 2x, did you write it as 2 cos
2
square?
cos square x. So 2 plus 6 sin square x by sin 2x. So 1 by sin x cos x plus 3 tan x.
What did you say? 2 plus 6 sin square. This you can write 2 sin cos. Okay.
So 1 by sin x cos x plus 3 tan x.
Okay, listen. Instead of यहाँ पे when you do this, what is going to happen is when you're dividing it, you get 1 by sin cos plus 3 sin by cos. ऐसे आएगा ना?
Yeah.
Okay. But if you divide here itself, listen, 2 cos square plus 8 sine square. If I divide it by 2 sine cos, you get cos by sine plus 4 sine by cos.
Oh,
Yes or no?
yeah,
So which one you will prefer?
that one.
I'll prefer this because they are reciprocal to each other. Right?
Mm-hmm.
So can I write this whole thing as cot x plus 4 tan x?
Hmm.
Okay. And sin 2x should not be 0. तो उसके लिए domain भी ऐसे set करना कि see 2x cannot be equal to n pi. Listen, 2x cannot be n pi.
Hmm.
So x cannot be n pi by 2. So
Yeah.
range minus n pi by 2, where n is all integer. This is the domain. Okay. You understood this game, no? What I did?
Yeah.
So abhi, coming back to this, here I'll take t as tan x. So I can write 2t minus 1 by t का whole square plus 4 आएगा क्या? 4 आता है ना? This 1 by t is cot, huh? And this is this essay. Plus 4. Okay. Now when will it? So you'll see that this is greater than equal to 4. Okay. Now check, is it valid?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. T square is half. It is valid. No problem. That means y ka range is 4 to infinity.
Okay.
And domain you have already done. Okay. And small things I'm teaching you now. One more thing which will help you actually. Just trying to increase the critical thinking. Okay. And method, it's like a method also. So this I'll teach you the two methods and understand it. So if x square plus y square is 4 and a square plus b square is 8, find the maximum values of ax plus by पूछा है. So I will see it separately like this. Two methods I'll teach you. One method, normal method. That is, you can say our level of method. And method 2 is like a 10 standard method. This manipulation will get. वो सोचने पड़ेगा बस. Okay. Now listen. X, if I keep it as 2 sine theta and y as 2 cos theta, will it satisfy my equation?
Yeah.
Sine square. 4 sine square plus 4 cos square.
Yeah.
4 into sine square. Is it satisfying my equation?
Yeah.
Yeah. If that is the case, what will I take here as? I have to take a different angle. So 2 root 2, 8 ka square root. 2 root 2 sine phi and 2 root 2 cos phi. Can I assume? Will it satisfy? Yes.
Yeah.
Now ax plus by is 2 root. So basically I have to multiply this into this. That is ax. Okay. So you get 4 root 2 sine theta sine phi plus again you get 4 root 2 cos theta cos phi. I can take 4 root 2
cos of theta minus
cos of theta minus phi. Now you know this is the entire cos value. इसका range ही -1 to 1 है. That means the entire function will be between minus 4 root 2 to
4 root 2.
4 root 2. So minimum value पूछा है. So this is the minimum value. Minus 4 root 2. Okay. Now next method. Both you should know. So listen. Ax plus by. This we have done in trigonometry somewhere to eliminate also. वो idea आया है. If I just interchange, अभी a के साथ x है ना, तो I'll take a के साथ y minus b के साथ x and I square it. What I get? I get a square x square plus b square y square plus 2ax by, and I get a square y square plus b square x square minus 2ax by. ये जो cancel हो जाएगा.
हाँ.
Okay.
हाँ.
Now if I take x square common here, what do I get? If I take x square common here, a square plus b square, correct.
So 8.
Plus the other place I take y square common again. So you can factorize it like this. Correct? Okay. Now they have given the value. This is 4, this is 8.
8.
So I'll use it. 4 into 8, 32. Now coming back to this, listen, is equal to 32. So they're asking the minimum value of this. Directly, by seeing only you should start telling this is also greater than equal to 2. This is also greater than equal to 32. But फिर भी doubt है, so you can think like this.
Greater than.
अच्छा, sorry, less than. Sorry. Okay. And if you still have doubt, you can take it to the other side. ऐसे. ऐसे भी सोच सकते हो.
Hello. Hello.
You can see, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So I took it to the other side. Now you know this is greater than equal to 0. So 32 will be the maximum value. After that, it will start decreasing. That's why it is less than 32. Both will be less than 32 actually. Okay. Okay. So ax plus by. This all we have done it in identity, if you remember. So I think, like, I'll give an idea, then you will understand. If x square is less than equal to 4, I have taken it like this: x square this side, and x plus 2, x minus 2 less than equal to 0. And then I told you the range is between this. Yaad hai?
Yeah.
So what is 32 ka square root? 4 root 2. Okay. So ax plus by will be between minus 4 root 2 and 4 root 2. Just like this concept. So the minimum value is minus 4 root 2. Both the methods important. This usually I apply this method. Whenever you see something plus something is, and you can do it, then think it is as r cos theta, r sin theta, with polar coordinates that you will see the straight lines.
Okay, done.
Yeah?
So the next page. Done.
We'll see tomorrow. Huh?
Okay.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.